Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about how to find the symbol that you want to trade and then also set it up in a watch list so you can just quickly switch between them. Righty-ho. Right, so the first thing we do is go to the top left hand corner. It says symbol search. We're going to start by typing part of the symbol in, so we're going to type in BTC, in this instance USD. We're going to click that. That switches, so you can see there it's switched and it's got the price there. Now what we also want to do, we're going to add this to the watch list. So let's do that. BTC USD. Right, let's add a couple more for good measure. Right, so let's also add the NASDAQ that we do trade. So that's NAS. We're going to be picking the NAS futures. Right. Okay, so you got the NAS futures on there. So you got two on. Right, and we're also going to put in ETH as well. So that's ETH USD. Bear in mind, ETH and BTC you can trade 24/7, and the NASDAQ futures 24/5. Okay, so we've got them there. Now, if I want to switch to one of them, I just click it and it takes me straight there. So this is all about speed when it comes to trading. Right, so in the next video, we're going to talk about adding indicators.